Today, I am going to show you how to transfer money via PayPal. First thing you must do is to launch the application. Always remember that PayPal logo has two colors, light blue and dark blue. This is your PayPal account. When you scroll down, you can see your recent activity. To send money, tap send. Here you have top contacts and your contacts. All you have to do is to click their name and kindly enter the amount that you wish to send. Once done, click next. Here, you can review everything like the PayPal balance and the amount that you're about to send. And once you're okay with that, kindly click done. You have sent the money already. And you can also go back to your account to check everything. All you need to do is to go to your wallet and then look for activity. And then here you can see your recent activity and your completed activity, the amount, receiver, and other details. If you find this video helpful and informative, make sure to subscribe for more. See you in the next video.